Two giants of online learning, Coursera and LinkedIn Learning. Both promise to boost your skills, but which one actually gives you the edge? On one side, Coursera, the academic powerhouse with university partnerships and accredited credentials. On the other, LinkedIn Learning, built for fast, career-ready upskilling, guided by industry experts. Forget the marketing talk. Let's compare what matters. We'll rate each category, award points, and reveal who truly comes out on top. And the winner might surprise you.
So here's the game plan. We're going to compare Coursera and LinkedIn Learning on all the stuff that actually matters. I'm talking pricing and value, certifications, course catalog depth, skill development, flexibility, and, community and recognition. That's basically the full package, if you ask me. All right, mind map loaded. Let's go category by category. First up, pricing and value, because let's be real, no one wants to break the bank just to learn online. Coursera's actually got a pretty sweet deal. You can audit tons of courses for free, and if you really need that certificate or even financial aid, it's available. But here's the catch. If you want that official certificate, it'll cost you. And the monthly subscription, it's on the higher side, making you wonder if you're getting enough bang for your buck. Now, LinkedIn Learning comes in, and honestly, this one's kind of a steal. One monthly price, and you get access to the entire library. No more one course at a time. It's all you can learn. Sometimes it's even bundled with your LinkedIn Premium. How convenient is that? The only weird thing, you can't buy just one course. But overall, when it comes to wallet friendliness and sheer value, LinkedIn Learning wins this round. Easy. All right, now let's talk about credentials. This is a biggie. Coursera goes full-on academic mode here. You get accredited certificates from actual top universities. I mean, we're talking Yale, Stanford, the works. Plus, professional certificates from giants like Google and IBM. And if you're really ambitious, there are even full online degrees. Wild, right? Of course, if you go for those big programs, you'll be paying more, but for legit credentials, worth it. LinkedIn Learning, on the other hand, keeps it super practical. You finish a course, you get a certificate, and it slides right into your LinkedIn profile, which is great if you want recruiters to notice. But, and here's where it gets tricky, the certificates aren't academically accredited, and they're just not as widely recognized if you need something formal. So if we're talking pure certification power, Coursera clearly takes this one. Course catalog time. Coursera? Oh boy, it's massive, like 90,000 plus courses, and they cover everything. Tech, business, data, arts, whatever you want. They've got deep programs, specializations, real degrees. So if you want to really dig in and master a topic, it's all there. Sometimes these programs get long though, so it's a commitment. But LinkedIn Learning, still impressive. Around 17,000 to 24,600 courses. And they're all about quick, practical learning. Stuff gets updated all the time. And honestly, if you want to learn a skill fast, these bite-sized courses are awesome. Just know, there aren't as many advanced or degree-level tracks. So if you want academic depth, well, that's Coursera's thing. It's clear. Coursera wins for depth and variety, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Coursera partners with over 350 top universities around the globe, like Yale and Stanford. Meanwhile, LinkedIn Learning actually started as lynda.com, one of the OGs of online learning. So yeah, both have serious history. Let's switch gears to skill development and usability. Coursera is kind of the go deep or go home platform. Structured programs, graded work, peer assignments, really pushing you to build serious expertise. But heads up, it's more time intensive. You're in for the long haul. LinkedIn Learning? Super practical. It's literally built to make you employable, fast. Everything is short, actionable, and tied straight into your LinkedIn profile. Endorsements, recommendations, you name it. Plus, it's got these super personalized recommendations, like it's reading your mind or something. The only iffy part, some courses feel a little surface level. So if you're after depth in a niche, it might not deliver. For usability and rapid skill upskilling, LinkedIn Learning takes the win. All right, so how flexible and accessible are these platforms, huh? Coursera lets you audit majority of their courses for free, which is a game changer. Plus, it's available in 20+ languages, so you can learn wherever you are. But here's a weird little quirk. The mobile app isn't 100% there, especially for quizzes and assignments, which can be a pain if you want to study on your phone. LinkedIn Learning brings offline viewing, so you can download courses and learn wherever, whenever. The courses are short, so yeah, easy to sneak one in during lunch breaks. And that mobile-friendly interface is pretty slick. Oh, and there's a 30-day free trial if you just want to check it out. The only downside is you need a subscription to access anything. Honestly, both platforms nail flexibility in their own style, so I'm calling it a tie.
Last up, community and recognition. Coursera is gigantic. Over 92 million users. And all those university partnerships just add to its reputation. The peer review thing is cool for engagement, but sometimes the system gets bogged down and slow, so not perfect. LinkedIn Learning's smaller, but still solid at 27 plus million users. Their certificates pop right into your LinkedIn profile. Instant bragging rights. But for international or high-level credentials, not as much respect if you need those. Between the two, Coursera stands out for recognition and prestige.
Let's take a step back and look at how these two stack up across every category. Coursera's crushing it with accreditation, catalog, and recognition, while LinkedIn Learning shines on pricing, usability, and practical skill building. Flexibility, honestly, both have their strengths, so that's a toss-up. Guess it really depends on what you want from your learning journey.
So, here's my 2 cents. Go Coursera if you want legit, university-endorsed certificates, professional tracks, or, hey, maybe even a full-on online degree. But if you're just looking to quickly boost some career skills and want seamless integration with your LinkedIn, LinkedIn Learning is honestly a no-brainer. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to follow for more honest reviews on the best online learning platforms out there. Stay tuned for the next